And that's how you fit a Zunsport grill set on a 997 GTS. Hi, Ryan from CarsAddiction.com, and today we're doing an unboxing of the Zunsport grills for the 997. Now these grills come in three packs. One is the full set, which we've got. The other one is for just the sides and another one just for the middle. So we got the full pack. The reason you might want to insert grills is for aesthetics and because large stuff can actually go through this coupe and might damage your radiators on high speed. Things that we're going to be using on this installation would be this claw over here, just to remove any debris that we cannot reach in there, and a vacuum cleaner, so we can get that fine dust out there before we, while we're at it, sort of to speak, because fine dust will still get through there. So let's see what's in the box. Now Zunsport has been kind enough to give me a discount code, which I'll share in the description below for everyone to use. You'll get a quite good discount for any type of grills you got. Doesn't have to be for a 997, could be for any car. Okay, first thing we have is the front grille and these two minor ones. Now this is the aero bumper, it's a GTS, so we might have extra openings than any other 997. Okay, we've got an envelope. Let's see what that's. Give us a membership card, that's quite nice of them. We'll look into the letter later. Let's see what else we've got. And we've got the two sides. Perfect. Now the quality looks really, really great. So let me just open one to show you. Very sturdy, and installation is quite easy. Just clip on that there. But before we do so, we want to remove the debris that's existing. Now at first inspection, I can already see I would have benefit from the grills because I can see a twig and some leaves. Most probably they wouldn't have gone in there if I had the grill. Now the tube won't have done any damage, but if it was like an animal or something like that, because the gap is huge, that can have make things much more messy. Okay, we have removed all the debris we had. Thanks for our trusty claw and vacuum. Now these are the large pieces which wouldn't have gone in there in the first place if we had the grill, and obviously the small stuff would have gone through, but we usually do clean up every now and then, not to avoid things getting rotten in there. So we didn't have as much as we thought. Now what's left is actually wiping down the front grille. No need to emphasize on this because these grills can be moved really easily once installed. Now each of the grills come with instructions from Zunsport. And installation is quite straightforward. So each grill will have like a clip on each end, and we'll just install directly onto the car. Okay, as soon as we get the outer grill finished, we move along towards the center, which brings us to this piece. Now the reason you see this marked is because we got to slide this here and sort of grazed onto the bumper to clip it in, and we don't want to damage the paintwork. Okay, we've done both outer bits. We've done one to the next. As you can see over here, we already moved our masking tape just to make sure it's in correctly. Now we have masked the center to put in the last piece. Now again, make sure the hooks are in the inside part. This requires us to just put that hook onto there and flex the grill a bit to get the right hook into place. After those, so we'll can gently push this into place. So let's do that. Okay, so I've first put in the left bit as instructed, flex the whole grid to put in the right bit. As you can see, we're still outwards from here. Thank God for those masking tape. Now all you do is just get a screwdriver. I just wrapped it in masking tape as well, not to scratch the grill, and just push into place until it clips. That's it. And we have our grill installed. Just remove the masking tape, let's see the full effect. And that's it. We just finished installing the Zunsport grill for the 997 GTS. It's a kit that has 5 pieces, the 2 outer ones, the center one, and the 2 minor ones at the next to the center one. And that's how you fit. It's a 15 to 30 minute job. All you need is masking tape just to make sure we don't scratch the paint. And literally we just align the things and push them in. Now, if you guys are OCD about fitment, these are not that great. There are some gaps, but I don't think they're an issue because, see, there's a small gap right over here. I don't think it's an issue because mostly you're going to be seeing the car in this point of view and it's hardly noticeable. Now, for a product that doesn't require you to remove the front bumper, it's perfect, because if you remove the front bumper, then you have to play around getting these gaps perfectly. So I think this is the best option in the market, and the quality is amazing. Thanks to Zunsport, we are providing a 15% discount to all viewers, so get the code in the description below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell button to get the latest updates of Cars Addiction. Take care.